Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, this is going to be a backtesting video. All right, so in this backtesting video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about one of the Trading Academy's exclusive concepts. Okay, now for the guys that have attended the webinar that I've been having, the webinars I've been having over the past few days, they have been able to apply it really well. So I ask you to join the webinars when I have them. They are completely free. No one has to pay anything. Okay, for when I mention them or when I announce them on my Telegram. All right. So in this video, as I mentioned before, I'm going to be backtesting with you guys. So we'll do a complete week's worth of backtesting for the trading model that I'm employing or that I'm giving you guys as part of an exclusive access to my content to the public. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the 15-minute chart, right? And today, so let's go back a bit. Let's go back. All right, here's Monday. So let's come here. Okay, let's start the day off right there. All right, and here is what we're looking at. Okay, so what we're looking at is we are looking for a high liquidity dealing range purge, right? So what is a high liquidity dealing range purge? So for the guys that have already come for the webinar, they already know what it is, but for everyone else, a high liquidity dealing range purge is one in which there is 3 or more changes in the state of delivery. Okay, so inside of a range you have about 3 or more changes in the state of delivery. So this is a high liquidity dealing range high, and there's a high liquidity dealing range low. So when price takes out the high, you are expecting price to drop down to the low. Okay, now there are going to be instances in which price on the way down, it does another thing. It does this. It creates more change of states like that. Okay, at which point we have come to a point in which this is your dealing range low and that is your dealing range high, and between these two, basically between these two extremes, there are 4 or more or 3 or more changes in the state of delivery. So if price does this, you can just as easily do what? You can just as easily go up and target this high. Okay, so it is based on how price is behaving. So this is more of a reactionary approach. Okay, this is more of a reactionary approach. So now, and also of course objective by the way we define them, right? So now looking at this, right, so we are going to focus on London. Okay, so London is here, and we're going to be focusing on the New York session. Okay, only for these 5 days. All right, so for these 5 days right there. Okie dokie. All right, so look over here, what is my price action? What is the piece of price action that will tell me that, okay, you know what, this is a dealing range low? Okay, well, I have this low here and this high here. Why? Because see, price goes up, drops down, changes state of delivery, dealing range high, goes up, CSD, dealing range low. Okay, all right, so as more and more price is being developed like this, can you see how between this high, this low, we had one change of state, price goes up, second change of state, third change of state, fourth change of state, fifth change of state. So this is my low. When price purges that, I'm looking to see whether I can go long. There you go. Okay, inside of London, price goes down, you can find your long over here. Okay, you can find your long over here, and price goes up. So like I said, we are going to go long. Okay, so this is a success. All right, so this is a success. You can apply your own entry model, whatever. That's all. That's up to you. Okay, I don't want to impose any entry models on you. The entry model is up to you. So I said, okay, we're going to go long. This is the long, and you're targeting this high. All right, so you can say that day 1, you can put a success. All right, next day. So the next day, what we will do is we'll go to the London session first, not New York, sorry. Okay, 3-6. Then looking at the NY session here. That's not the NY session, I'm capping. Oh my god. Okay, here to here. Okay. All right, so now we'll see. So we're looking for price to do something. We're waiting, and we stop. All right. So now over here, what am I interested in? Okay, I'm interested in to see whether there's a change of state. So I can see that, okay, here we go up, we drop down. This is the dealing range high. Okay, here, do we stop hunt? No. Do we stop hunt this and go up? Yes, this is dealing range low. You can also say that I have a dealing range low here. Okay, there also. Right? So if it comes and takes out any one of these, I'm okay. I don't mind. Okay, if it comes and takes out any one of these, listen carefully. If it comes and takes out any one of these guys, right, it's okay. Okay, if it comes and takes out any one of these fellows, it's okay. Right, it's all right. Okay, now look. Here, we have a change of state to go up, so we have this also. Okay, now between this high and this low, how many change of states do we have? Let's see. We have the one happening here, 1, 2, 3, more than enough. So this high to this low, very sensitive, extremely sensitive. Okay, so let's play. What do we have? Nothing. What's happening? Now what's happening is, look, if we change state down here, actually, not there, here actually, wait for it. Okay, now here. So when we change state here, okay, take this high right there, okay, take that high right there, and you are going to anchor it to a spot in which there was another change of state. Okay, you're going to anchor it to a spot of price in which there was another change of state. Where is it? So over here, nowhere, it's all the way down here. Okay, so you have this low and this high and this low. You are not doing anything. So as per the model, you are not doing anything. Yes, you can trade fractals based on the 5-minute, 1 minute. I'm drawing your attention to the 15-minute to capture the meat of the daily range expansion. Okay, so these levels are still viable for us. All right. Okay, now look, see how we traded above here. But did we close above this low, this down close candle? No, we did not, right? Wait for it. We'll move our timings. Here, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So on day two, we had nothing. So cross. Okay, there and there. All right, watch. Look to see whether price will go above this down close. Yes, it did. Did it? Yes, it did. Okay, now you can anchor this as your dealing range low and that as your dealing range high. So now what you're interested in is, you're interested to go long when price takes out this low, and you're taking profit here or here, one of the two. Okay, now you want to go long, so I'm saying buy. So after saying buy, I'm looking to see whether price can take out the two highs. See, outside the session, and once we enter the New York session, we should go higher. There. Okay, so that's a buy. And then from here, because we are getting a reaction. See how we are getting a reaction? We're getting the reaction from what high? This high. Yeah, that high. From there, I'm interested in seeing price do what? I'm interested in seeing price come here as my preliminary target. But this high is connected where? To this low and this low. If I'm going short, we are going to go down to these lows. Okay, this is my initial target. So we'll say day 3. I said longs for day 3, so that's a success. Okay, now let's see if the shorts are working out. Easy. Okay, easy. Alright, so everyone got to know this when they join the free webinar. By the way, free webinar. I know some of you guys are stingy as hell when you think people are holding webinars. Nah, man, we're not here to take your money all the time. If you want to join the mentorship and get the predictors, you can. But apart from that, when it's free, man. Just take advantage. No one's gonna harm you or anything. Alright, so we're looking for price to go lower. Those lows are the targets, and we start a new day. Okay, so now we start a new day. All right, we're starting a new day, and I'm looking to see if the same thing, right, the same observable phenomenon happening in price. All right, so if it doesn't happen on the higher time frame, then go to the lower time frame, and of course the lower the time frame, shorter the move, right? So now if I'm observing the change of states, can I see here, look, this swing high there, and price runs up above it. Okay, then what about here? Is there any change of state over here? No, right? I don't see any change of state there. So this is my catalyst in case we are going above this. Can I see a change of state downstairs over here? Let's see. Low, price goes up. Yes, this is my dealing range low. These are all targets. Okay, so based on the previous day's rate up there, this is the target. Looking for price to go above this to sell or go below this to buy. Okay, so I'm saying we are going to go down. So we are bearish. Okay, we're bearish. London session, wait for it. What happened? Took out the low. Okay, but I'm saying entire day we're bearish. Yes, we can go up. Once we go up there, look at this. Now consider this. Okay, we are changing our state of delivery here, making this our dealing range low. Between this high and this low, how many change of states are there? 1, swing low here, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one. Therefore, when price takes out this high, I'm anticipating a move down, a sharp move down to take out all these lows. So I'm still saying bearish. We are bearish. Okay, we are bearish. There we go. Okay, we are bearish. That's all. And then this happens. Prices retraces because it takes out all this liquidity. Therefore, is a success. All right. Now let's look at the final day. Okay, the final day is gonna be day 5. So day 5. Alright, so in day 5, what we'll do is we'll mark out the sessions. There we go. Okie dokie. So we'll wait for the next day just to see what the liquidity is, where liquidity is, and all that business. Okay. Now, where was the liquidity? Here. Right? That was a liquidity. So we're expecting what? A reversal. Yeah, we're expecting a reversal. Where are we expecting the reversal to? See now, between this low and this change of state here, we have this. Yeah, we have that. So that could be our ultimate target. So we also have this one here. So let's see. So this is in premium, right? If you drag a fib, we know that this is a premium pricing. Dealing range high. Change of state, let's find it. Let's see. Any other liquidity rates? Here we have one here. So yeah, price goes above this down close candle here, the lowest down close here, it goes above it. That's a change of state. Okay, then I have a dealing range low, right? I have a dealing range low. And now let's see. Here, what do I have here? We go up, we trade down, validating this up close. This is a dealing range high. We go down. I see this here, this one right there. We go above the down close candle here, making this our dealing range low. Yeah, making that our dealing range low. So When price takes this low out, I'm expecting to see whether we can get a what? Get a reversal. At the same time, we have another CSD here. You see, making this another leading range low. So I have options. All I have to do is wait for something to happen, and if it takes out the low, I'm going to go long. Okay, and look how it changes state again here, making this my leading range high. Okay, take out this low, expecting longs. Took out the low by a very small margin. Okay, took out the low by a very small margin, and I'm expecting to go long, but I want to go long inside the correct session, so we wait. So I'm long biased. Okay, here London session. Okay, London session, we trade up, come down. This up close has not yet been validated. As you can see, price only wicked above it, we didn't close above it. Now we did, yes, now we did. So there's a bullish order block here. You can go along there. Buy. Where's my take profit? My take profit is here. Initial take profit is here. Okay, you see that? Initial take profit is there. Okay, between this high and this low, between this high and this low, there are multiple change of states. Okay, a multiple change of states. So this is a success. Okay, we have multiple change of states. We are looking to see whether the price can sell off. Right, we want to see now, for the end of the day, we're looking to see whether the price can actually go and sell off. All right, but here's the problem. Here you see this, how we spike down, traded up, forming a dealing range low. Yeah, okay, now we need to see what the price forms a dealing range high. Okay, a bit more to go. Oh, there we go. Dealing range high formed, price closed below the up close there. So we are looking to see for further longs in the next day. For the next day, you want to see whether the price can take out this low or take out this high for a sell. So let's play this and see. Next day begins. We're looking for the low to go and then go long. Low gone. If I'm going long, my take profit is where? Here, this high. There we go. And look at the sensitivity there. Okay, what does this price take out? This high, the high that was connected to this low. You see? Okay, now look, observe on the 1 hour chart. Okay, look, okay, how it's going higher. Okay, that's why I took you to the 1 hour chart. Look at how it's going higher, right? There. Okay, then now you should ask yourself, oh, okay, it's going higher. How do I know it's going to go high all the way there? Simple. Take it all the way to the higher time frame. Just like with Malay SNR, just like with everything that we know so far, higher time frame is always going to be the winner, right? Look at the daily. Now I'm not going to go into more detail about the model and how we're going to refine this. That's all mentorship stuff, and that's all webinar stuff for the guys that did not come. So I don't know why I didn't come, but that's your problem. That's not a me problem, because I gave you all 24 hours advance, right? Advance notice. So we have these highs here, right? Look, it's a leading range high. This here, you see that it goes up, comes down, then goes up and validates this down close. Okay, leading range low. So when price takes out that high, you're expecting what? Price to dump. You see, expecting to dump, right? I guess. And then if I were to show you guys one more thing, it happened everywhere today. Okay, literally happened everywhere. So here's what I'll do. Okay, I don't know if I can log into my TradeOvate account. I think I can. Wait, let me see. Hold up, executions. Oh no, it's not getting logged in. Oh, okay, it is what it is. So yeah, so we took shorts here, we took longs here, and there was some other stuff happening over here as well. Yeah, so all that happened today, and if you look at today's price action, it's very easy. Yeah, see this dealing range high, dealing range low on the 5-minute chart, takes the high out, smashes to go to the low, takes the low out. Look at all this clustered price action, a lot of change of states inside here. So price goes down below it. What's the new high? The new high is that one. Price takes it out, and now we're anticipating some kind of a sell-off. Okay, and even if we're not anticipating a sell-off, look at this. See how we have this dealing range high, dealing range low, low goes out, next target is this high here. All right guys, so that's all. So that's a backtesting video that you can do, that you have now finally done with me. I'm not going to go over entries, I'm not going to go over entry models. That's a mentorship thing, and that's a you thing. You have to use whatever whatever resonates with you. And if you ever want more information, you can join my webinars. I will be updating and announcing whenever I'll be doing it on my Telegram. Okay, so make use of it. And there's also a limited time offer going on my mentorship, 20% off. I've also slashed prices because a lot of people said I'm too expensive. Well, okay, now here's your chance to get in for cheap. I slashed the prices, and I am giving you an additional 20% off lifetime, only until July 30th. All right, so the code is this that you can use on my website. My company website, the code is save20 for the $75 monthly mentorship. All right, okay, so the perks, obviously live streams, weekend backtesting, weekend community sessions, free predictors, basically everything that happens within the mentorship or resources you get for free. Okay, all right, so with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found something helpful with my words and the way I've shown it to you guys, because the guys that joined the webinar, of course, found it helpful, and they've been getting successful trades also. Yeah, so with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading, and don't forget about the discount. All right, so bye bye.